Alright, today we're gonna bring an elegant, beautiful solar outdoor light. Look how thin it is. Now, I've never seen something so thin with it looks like it has no glass, but it is glass. Look at this LED lights surrounding it. It has a sensor. I'm gonna turn it on right now so you guys can see it. Let me see if I can block it. Ooh, really block. Look at that. Super strong. And I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna turn it off now. 1, 2, 3. Hold it down. Turns off. This is a bright light, very light light. I'm gonna set it up today. They give you the pole, the remote. Let's get everything out. The remote. Oh, look how thin the remote is. Very fine, thin remote. Look at that. On, off, high, low, 2 hours, 4 hours, and no sensor. And then of course you can lower down the actual lighting too. So that's the remote itself. The pole itself is very small, but it's super bright. We're gonna test it out tonight and see how bright it is, because this thing is lightweight, but it takes a punch. So we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna set it up and see how it works. All right, let's take a look at the light, how powerful it is. It's lighting up this whole backyard. The controller is very slim. I like the controller. That's a plus. I like that it's super bright. See how it dims down? And as soon as I walk forward, I'm gonna demonstrate you guys when it dims down. Any motion detecting that comes on board. Look at this. I'm gonna walk right in front of it. See? Just any kind of movement. I don't even need to go walk all the way. So the actual lights are very good. They dim down to save battery, conserve battery, and then they start up again. All right, let's demo the lights. They just dim down right now, but any motion, I'm gonna move forward a little bit and they start turning on. Look how bright they are. They're lighting up this whole yard here, coming from that little powerful light that you see up there. Very strong.